Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. If you like this video then please make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos from me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this dripping blood cut crease look. It's perfect for Halloween. I'm going to be trying to do a lot more of these creepy graphic kind of looks throughout the month of October, so if you like that type of thing then make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of those. It looks like kind of a simple look, but to be honest it took me so long, like 4 hours probably, but that is kind of becoming the norm for me these days, 4-hour looks. So yeah, definitely if you decide to do this look for a party or something, allow yourself plenty of time. This look is inspired by Chloe Fits MUA on Instagram. I believe she began the dripping rainbow makeup trend. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, since I actually did the rainbow look, which was 15 weeks ago, because I'm just currently looking at it for my reference. But yeah, I never got around to doing it, and October just seemed like the perfect time to do it. So here we are with the dripping blood look. But yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my eyebrows done and I've applied a white eyeshadow base to my eyelids. It's actually not really on the lid though, it's above, just in the crease, because I'm going to be wiping off whatever gets on the lid anyway, so I don't want to waste my product. Now the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a red eyeshadow, and the one that I'm using is this one by Sugarpill. I think it's called Love Plus. It's just a nice true red, and I'm going to be applying this into my crease in a bit of a winged shape, and I'm just using the one of the ends of the brush that you get with the Anastasia palettes. I'm just going to kind of press that in, and then I will be blending it out using a blending brush. Okay, so we've got the red in the crease and blended out, and the next step is to take some micellar water and a brush, and I'm going to remove the product where I'm going to be carving the crease, just so I can get a cleaner cut crease. I'm also going to be wiping my eye with a cotton tip once I've yeah, you know. Okay, and now to actually carve out the crease, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Neutral, and I'm going to be using my flat concealer brush, and this is a Morphe M224, just in case you're wondering. Once I carve out the crease, I'm going to quickly set it with some setting powder as well. I'm using my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder, and this is in the shade Sugar Cookie. Okay, now is the hard part, which I'm a bit nervous about, just because it's so intricate, so I'm hoping that I don't mess it up, but if I do then I can just clean it up with concealer, so no worries. The next step that I'm going to do now is I'm going to be taking this small fine art brush. I just got it from this bargain shop. And I'm just going to wet the brush, and I'm going to dip it into the red eyeshadow to make a bit of a paint and just draw some drops on. before I continue on with the drips outside here, I'm actually going to apply my face makeup just so that I can make them drip down a little bit further and I don't have to worry about doing my foundation around it. Now I've noticed that the drips are a little bit darker than what I've got going on in the crease, so I'm just going to go back in with the red and just add that to my crease a little bit, and hopefully that will kind of even it out and make it blend together a bit more. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that same red eyeshadow and the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and use that to smoke out my lower lash line. In my waterline I'm going to be applying this MAC lipstick and it's in the shade Feel So Grand. Okay, now for highlight I'm going to be using my Lime Crime Mermaid's highlight, and I'm going to be taking this shade here which is called Pearl. Whoop. No! This just happened. Dropped one of my favourite highlighters. Oh my god. Now I'm going to quickly add in just a thin line of eyeliner to help conceal my lashes. So for that I'm going to be using my Kat Von D tattoo liner. That's less than ideal, but it's going to get covered anyway, so whatever. Okay, now time for some lipstick. I'm going to be using my Lime Crime Velveteen in the shade Wicked. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to be applying some lashes and mascara. So the lashes I'm going to be using are these XO Beauty Faux Mink lashes. These ones are in the style Thunder. I'm going to pop these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I definitely think the lashes just tie the whole look together and just make it look a bit more glam and nice looking as opposed to just weird, which was looking kind of weird before. But such an awesome look. I love the blood dripping. It's perfect for Halloween. If I had a party to go to this Halloween, then I would be wearing this makeup for sure. Anyway, I don't want this outro to be too long, so I'm just going to cut to the chase and say I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss any videos from me in the future. If you recreate this look, then please tag me in it. I'd love to see it. It makes me so happy when people recreate my work, so definitely tag me in it. I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next video.